You disrespect the viewers, them, that had your back when Dewey the guy left you. Nobody give a shit if you want to take back Dewey. Nobody if you want to take back. Over time I say I left my bill follow me and him still a fuck. Long more time I tell myself I left man and me a man still a blood clot fuck. But put myself in a all different type of category. And after we say we left boy and we and boy still a blood clot foot. I will put down with blood clot foot. We will never foot the dead same when the boy back in our life and in our bed. That's a blood clot. Look how me swear. So me like, but what is? Yeah, I said to you, I said, bumbo clot. Look how me tell me to me and I smell life. And look here. You don't even think about it too much because you tell us that you're the person left. I want to realize them in your bed. You want to the foot where you put on, I swear, if it still can't move, when you move it, so. So if the woman will take back her husband, she can. Stop, come out, come this, the viewership, Queenie. And someone will be going to stop going to have no sense. Young or old. We left people, we take back people's life. Stop, come out, come this, the people, them. I'm going to take back my blood clot husband. Go and move on the dirty blood clot. I'm going to take back my husband. I change my blood clot, man. No. You don't talk to people like that. You say fans, my pleasant viewers. Why? Me and Dewey again. But people, at the end of the day, which is night, me and him married already, and I still love him. Everybody deserve a chance in their life, whether it's one, whether it's over 50. And me I grant him the chance. I just hope Father God change him so him can change him. Fuck up ways, and I change mine as well. You understand? Talk to your people. If not come out and come talk about you change your mind and you laugh and like it's funny and to the man take you back now. You're happy now and your birthday, you think that the people did for blood clot back you and your friend them. Do never did blood clot, did they? Your birthday and the blood clot things and your viewers did there for back you. You have sleepless night when they pan blood clot TikTok from 12 to 12. From 12 o'clock England time in a blood clot night till 12 o'clock England time in the morning. You can't come off on the internet because depression and lit down your dirty blood clot.